Okay, in the previous session, I have completed this employee model, and there is a function get employee, get data from the procedure, get data from procedure based on ID, and as I am creating on here, get data from insert data in the procedure. Then I write this code on here. Where param status is equal to new param pass param name status SQL db type is equal to SQL db type dot and SQL db type SQL db type and direction. There is a input output input output both return value. There is a multiple parameter. I am on here input nahi input or output, but I doing because I return the status on here. This is a status. This return status true or false from the DB. Then is output.
Output.
Yes. Param name. Parameters. Param department param status. After that, open connection. Consent dot database dot open connection dot execute non-query. Execute non-query, execute scalar, execute. There is multiple four function. This is execute non-query, execute reader, execute non-query. There is two function I am using. This is read for the DB and insert update data for the execute non-query. Execute non-query. After that, underscore constant dot DB close status dot value greater than 0 means true false on here. There is a convert in boxing and unboxing.
Yeah.
Okay. Status is equal to true.
Value to reference and reference to value type.
You can mute from the
Convert.
Google.
Like, boxing is we will convert value type to reference type, right?
Yes, you can mute from Google Chat, Google Meet.
Okay. Ah, okay.
Return on your return status. This is code for the insert data. This is for main edit data, get data from based on ID. This function for the list data. There is a three function on here. That I create the procedure. SQL. Open the SQL. Delete this. Create procedure. Yes. And here create procedure.
I couldn't see your screen.
Okay, okay. And here.
I think you are sharing only one screen. So when you move
Correct,
to other
correct,
screen, I couldn't see.
correct. Now you can see.
No, you can stop and share again.
Yes, sure. Okay, now fine.
Yeah.
Create procedure. USP score get employee. Same copy and paste on here. Procedure name. This is a procedure name.
I have the syntax. Shall I give like
Hey, this is a procedure name on here.
1 minute? I have created a procedure. I will copy paste you so that you no need to do from the beginning.
Yes, actually same procedure name on there. Which call.
Okay. Just ping you. We can just change the name.
Okay, you have created the procedure.
Only insert I created.
Okay, okay. This and just I use your procedure also.
Okay.
Begin. Select string from employee. On here pass parameter. Employee ID. You can write on alias name mp dot mp dot name mp dot address comma, this is a field, but we need one field from the department table. Then we need to join on here.
Okay.
Join department, a department on mp.department id is equal to dpt.department id. Okay. On here, then after that I pass dpt.department id. On here, department id dot and also department name. This is then execute this line. This data we need on here. And execute this line. I have created this procedure. And after that, we need one more procedure. Copy this procedure, paste, and change the name on here for the get data based on ID. Get employee pass parameter on here. Pass parameter on here. At the rate employee ID int on here. Select string from employee. When edit data, then we need only other table department, only department ID. So then department ID is exists in the employee table. So no need to do the join.
Okay.
Where employee ID is equal to at the rate. There is a procedure for the based on ID gets must declare scalable employee ID. At the rate. What is wrong on here? Must declare scalable at the rate.
Employee ID. It's same, no?
Okay. Oh, fine. The execute. Specific, and after that, you create the procedure. Can you send me?
I sent already for insert.
Okay. Yeah.
In WhatsApp.
Okay. Can you send in the Zoom chat?
Yeah.
Zoom chat.
In Zoom meeting
Yes.
message.
Zoom meeting team chat. I think it's here. Send.
Yeah.
Open Zoom and multiple tabs on here: home, meeting, teammates, scheduler, more. You can see my screen.
Yeah, actually, I couldn't send. I have put like,
Okay.
um,
You can send in Google Chat.
try. Don't know, because of recording already.
Yes. On here, Google Chat. Yes. Okay.
In all, I'll send only the message. Got so many with it.
Okay. There is a. You are creating this.
Yeah, for insert.
No, there you can see my screen.
No, no, no. Wait, I'll send that.
Okay. And just create.
I sent now.
Okay. Yes. Create procedure. Copy the procedure name. USP add imply. USP add imply on here. Parameter. Actually, I pass parameter on here. Parameter.
Okay.
So then we need send same parameter on there.
Mm-hmm.
So then this is a correct procedure, but name we need to change the name. Imply ID, change the name.
Mm-hmm.
Name on here. Address, ACAPS, department ID, DCAPS, department ID. Okay. Address, worker, and on here we no need to department name because I insert
Mm-hmm.
department ID in the employee table, and
Mm-hmm.
this employee ID join with the department table.
Yeah, yeah.
Then get data.
Name is not.
Okay. Insert into employee. Also on here you can use try catch.
Mm-hmm.
Begin, try, end try,
Going to try.
and begin catch, begin catch, and end catch. And after that, insert into employees on here, name. On here, when insert data, so then no need to insert employee ID
Mm-hmm.
and remove it. Name, address, and department ID, correct. Employee ID, at the rate name, at the rate name, address, department ID. There is three field only. Remove this. Address, copy, department ID. Okay, insert reply. name address department ID, name address department ID. And try if and insert data, then set value in @status. @status. Status is equal to 1. Then we need to, and if error, then status return 0. And this value was on here @status. Okay, @status. And this is a in type, and this is out because I send value into the C# content. Okay, from the
Mm.
DB. Then use on here out keyword.
Okay.
This is complete procedure. If any issue on here, track and then handle the error log in the DB also.
Mm.
And execute this procedure. There is 3 procedure. Refresh, USP, add employee, and there is 3 procedure. Then this code for data access layer is completed. This code for the procedure level, I create the FDB constraint procedure and create the procedure for it, and this is complete code right in the data access layer. After that, I use this code in the presentation layer. You can say web content.
Okay.
Then use on here employee page. Employee page I have using currently I am using this code. Then I comment this code. Just I write I list employee view model is equal to employee view model where data is equal to the score dv dot procedure dot this is coming usp add
Mm.
employee usp
Yeah.
get employee
Mm.
on here usp one procedure is not showing on here usp get employee, but we have create employee. This is procedure name. Thus I check.
Maybe reading executed. Ah, yes,
Mm, just second on here. I check SP8, SP. Okay, same name I am getting. Just change the name on here.
Mm-hmm.
Right? Yes. Okay. Then data come from processor into the data. After that, if data not is equal to null, then for each data set in this and set value. So this I want the data. employee view model dot. Now first I create the object employee view model is equal to new. Okay, then set value on here. Employee view model dot employee ID employee ID is equal to, and copy this line of code. Again, on here change the name. Okay, name, address, copy paste, copy paste address, department ID, department ID, and department name. On here there is a department ID, department name dot department name, and
Okay.
the data bind into the list, or you write on here model dot.
If it will take time, we can continue or tomorrow.
Okay, uh, okay, then this data bind in the employee model to list this this object. After that, this code, then no need. You can comment or something and return data on here the return model. Okay, then run this. Okay. There is some error on here. What is the error? Okay, zero failed. If you can declaration procedures, this is check on here. Okay, on here there is a error. What is saying?
This partial modifier.
If db constant inherit from db constant. Okay. Actually, I create the partial class in the procedure class. On here, I create the partial class. Then we
Mm.
need to add the partial class on there also. and after that, and what the issue? Okay, then okay. You know the first year class?
Yeah,
If there is a error,
department.
department name. Just I add the debugger. Hmm, okay. Employee ID, department name on, get employees, get employee. Close this procedure on here department name. Okay, is department name. This is change on name here on here. Department name. Okay, understand?
Mm.
This department dot name. But this name on here is a department name. Okay, then
Okay.
need to mm, match this name or department not does not match, so thus I add this alias name department name. Okay,
Mm-hmm.
yes, and alter this procedure, then again run. Okay, this data is coming from the procedure, and after that when I edit data, then also change the code for that. This line of code you are understand, this only this line of
Your
code.
voice is.
Hello,
Yeah, yeah,
this line of code you are understanding, this line of code.
yeah, yeah.
Then after that, their data set in this and comment this line of code.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, the
Okay.
list of code, and after that, when I edit data. This is edit ID on here. We need to
Mm-hmm.
change it on here. This is data copy. This is comment. This is procedure. Okay. On here we need to pass argument. Arguments means parameter. Pass parameter. Then this line of code we need to comment, or we can use this is a model data not equal to null data and data set in this model. We can use this model also,
Okay.
and dp dot department. We can use this line of code, only this line I have comment this line, and same code on here, and then hit the debugger, close, stop, hit debugger and run. edit. No, there is a department. Okay, employee list. Edit. ID is coming to, and if we want to go inside this, then create object, open connection, execute procedure, and data read. Procedure of function get employee aspect parameter employee ID. But on here, I am not sending employee ID. Okay, this is a issue on here. We need to send on here.